Are you new to crypto, but don't know where to start? Confused by thousands of coins and scared of losing money? What if I told you just 5 powerful coins could set you up for the next bull run? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 best cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. No hype, no confusion, just clear picks and why they matter. Welcome to Crypto Knowledge 05. Let's make your first crypto investment a smart one. Coin number 1, Bitcoin the King, the original, the foundation. Bitcoin is the most trusted and secure crypto asset used globally as digital gold in 2025. Bitcoin halving will reduce supply, and prices usually skyrocket after even big companies and governments are buying it. Why beginners should consider it. It's less risky, long-term focused, and easy to buy anywhere. Pro tip: start with small amounts and hold. Don't trade too much. Coin number 2, Ethereum, the tech backbone of crypto. Ethereum powers smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi, and more. Most major projects are built on Ethereum's network. ETH 2.0 update made it faster, cheaper, and greener. Why it's great for beginners. It has real use cases, not just hype. Pro tip: use Ethereum to explore apps like MetaMask, staking, or NFTs. Coin number 3, Polygon, Ethereum's fastest friend. Polygon helps Ethereum work faster and cheaper. Many big companies use it, like Starbucks and Disney. Projects on Polygon are growing daily. Why beginners like it? Low fees, easy to explore, DeFi and apps, and cheaper entry than Ethereum. Pro tip: use Matic to explore dApps without high gas fees. Coin number 4, Chainlink, the data bridge between crypto and the real world. Chainlink gives smart contracts access to real-world data. Many crypto apps need it to function correctly. It's not a meme, it's pure utility. Why it's good for beginners? Solid long-term use case, often ignored by hype traders. Pro tip: don't expect moonshots. Think long-term utility. Coin number 5, Arbitrum, the future of scaling Ethereum. Arbitrum makes Ethereum super fast and cheap, used by many DeFi projects and NFT platforms. Backed by strong developers and real adoption, why beginners should notice it. It's early, it's real, and it solves a big problem in crypto. Pro tip: watch for low entry points in bear markets. Could grow fast in bull run. Bonus coin injective if you want to take a slightly higher risk for higher reward. Built for DeFi, super fast. Gaining real usage, backed by Binance Labs' technical team, is strong only for users who want something beyond the basics. What you should do now, if you're just starting, you don't need 50 coins. You need trustworthy projects, real use cases, long-term thinking. So start small, do your own research, avoid meme hype. And remember, crypto rewards patience, not panic. This was Crypto Knowledge 05, your guide to smarter investing in 2025. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly videos. Let's build your crypto journey the smart way.